HBM stands for High Bandwidth Memory and is a type of memory interface used in 3D stacked DRAM, dynamic random access memory, in some GPUs, graphics cards, as well as the server, AI, and HPC markets. HBM hits refers to the amount of memory capacity and bandwidth that HBM can provide for these applications. HBM3E is an enhanced version of HBM3, which is the latest generation of HBM. HBM3E offers higher data transfer rates, higher memory capacity, and lower power consumption than HBM3. For example, Samsung's Shinebolt HBM3E memory can deliver up to 36 GB of capacity per stack and up to 9.8 Gbps of data transfer rate per pin, which translates to 1.25 TB/s of bandwidth per stack. In comparison, the standard HBM3 specification supports up to 24 GB of capacity per stack and up to 6.4 Gbps of data transfer rate per pin, which translates to 809 Gbps of bandwidth per stack. HBM3E is designed to meet the increasing demands for high-performance memory in AI, HPC, and graphics applications that require massive amounts of data processing and fast response times. HBM3E is expected to be available in 2024 from Samsung and SK Hynix.